Have you ever wondered how other new producer and musician are making MV out of nowhere? I have just found a very useful tool that can create music videos for all of your music, and I really like the videos it produces. Check out the music video I just created for my song, and it only took me 3 minutes. It's super amazing.
Every single whisper felt like a chain, standing on the edge, standing in the rain. I'm breaking out, I'm breaking through.
If you're an independent artist who doesn't have thousands of dollars and weeks to spend on filming, AI is an absolute game changer. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to visualize your music using an AI generator called MVLAND. First, we need some music, of course. Head over to Gemini and just use this prompt. Remember these rules about comma-separated style and the meta tags. Don't worry if this is new to you. I will leave this prompt in the comment. The AI will respond to you with a style description and lyrics. This is for demo only, so you can just stay with the way you're writing your music. Art is free. After copy the lyric, head to Suno and remember to select the advanced mode. Then paste the lyrics in. Follow up with a style from the AI. For this song, I would love to hear from a male singer. And since everything is packed, I hit create and wait for the magic to happen.
The silence is a predator. Watch it breathe!
This song hits so hard, I love it. Remember to download it with the WAV format for the best quality. Now we head over to MVLAND and let make some professional music video. After login, click on Upload Your Music. Then drag and drop your song from before in. Wait for the song to upload, and then you can crop the best part of your song to make an MV. Of course, you can use the full song, but for this tutorial, I will just select the chorus, which is the best part.
The walls are closing in. The sky. The walls are closing in. The sky is turning gray. But we won't fade away.
Don't forget to add your description. The more detailed your description, the more satisfied you'll be with the result. MVLAND is run by a very effective AI, so it will quickly analyze your uploaded music. It can summary the lyric, detects the right genre and style, also matching the BPM and the tempo, which must need a very skillful video editor to get that. Now we get to pick a style. For this song, I am considering Glitch Noir versus Dark Flame. Both are good, but I think I will choose Glitch Noir. Don't worry if you're shy with camera, MVLAND also provides you with digital character. I think Vane would be very suitable for this song, but I prefer myself here, so I will upload my own picture. Remember to choose your portrait photo for the best digital clone. Now, while we are waiting for my clone to be born, let's see which models are there in MVLAND. I see they are using Nano Banana and C-Dance for the storyboard SEP. I will try C-Dream 5 for this MV. The AI tool also detects this song will need 23 shots under 70 seconds of music. On the left-hand side, you can choose your ratio for the MV. It supports from mobile to YouTube and old-fashioned TV style. I am a YouTuber, so I just stick with 16.9. And my clone is done. We will proceed with the storyboard generation. As you can see, the AI is working with all the shots at once, from the very first to the last 23rd. After a few seconds, the storyboard is done generating. You can preview everything. This shot seems weird, I don't like it, so I will just hit generate this single scene only for a better shot. For some shot with my face on it, you can see an icon of a face here. This is the option to turn on or off lip syncing for that scene, which is amazing. I will tweaking around for a little bit before we generate the full video. For the video generator, MVLAND provide us with Kling and their own video AI, as well as C-Dance 1.5 Pro. I would just use Kling 2.6 since this helped me save a lot of cost besides using directly on Kling website. And I will hit Generate Video.
One more reason why I love MVLAND is that they built in with a video editor. We can edit the MV direct online after the super fast video generation is done. No need to manually download each single video if you don't want to. After making a few changes, MVLAND also helped me render the full video, and I will let you guys enjoy the final result.
The walls are closing in, the sky is turning gray, but we won't fade away. Go! Kill! Rewrite the will! Hey! No surrender! Hey! No retreat! Cognitive dissonance! Shatter the glass! We are the riot that's built to last! Tear down the monuments! Burn up the sign! Crossing the border, we're breaking the line! Everything burns! Everything ends!
I love making MV with MVLAND. The storyboard, the shot, the lip sync, everything match my vibe. If you want to make MV like I am doing, just hit MVLAND for a try. The link with free credit will be put at the description. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.